Hello everyone, my name is Haiko, and today in this video we're going to indulge in developing new tools by using fluid mechanics. This video is in outcome 6, which is fluid mechanics is able to conclude a solution of a physical case based on concept in fluid mechanics. The objective of this project is made to help come up with the ideas of innovation to solve issues faced in the world. These issues range from daily life problems to global issues that may cause negative impact to the world is neglected. So we actually have two questions. The first one, big question, is why is rationality an essential skill for a visionary leader? And the second question is a project-focused question, which is how to transform the new world with the magic touch of physics. I'm going to answer both of these questions in my next slide. So for the first project-focused question, which is how to transform the new world with the magic touch of physics, we can transform the new world with the touch of physics by learning physics concept and applying it into real life. Second one, the realization of project and the big question. Why is this rationality is an essential skill for a visionary leader? Rationality is an essential skill that is needed by visionary leader to be able to create a plan that can easily adapt to future changes. This skill is needed in making the project by being able to plan ahead and making sustainable solution that can be used in the long term. So, for this project mission, the main idea of this project is for us humans being prepared to enter the new era after a global virus pandemic with the helping hands of physics to transform and reshape the world into becoming a place where all living things and human beings can live normally and in harmony again. So the main problem that I choose or the issue that I'm focusing is mortar and pestle. Specifically, Indonesian mortar and pestle are built from a mix of stone, cement, and sand, which is bad for your health. There's also a type of mortar and pestle which is painted with a black paint to make it look like stone. These two types of mortar and pestle is not only causing you health damage, but is also not the most efficient tool on earth. So I actually have two hypotheses. The first one is cooking or creating food by using materials that are safe can decrease food poisoning risk. And the second one is creating a tool that can make food much more efficient will help us make food using less effort and having the same result. Or in other way you can say that it helps to save your energy. So I actually have 5 methods. The first one is to find a material that is safe to use for cooking. The second one is researching more thoroughly into how to make mortar and pestle effective. The third one is finding ways that people have been trying to solve this problem. The fourth one is studying fluid mechanics and how it can help to construct a solution. And the last one is try using Widianto experiment. So, from those 5 methods, I have a result. I choose to be focused on developing efficient and sterile ways to make food by developing a new mortar and pestle design and using andesite stone as my main material. This can be resolved by applying Pascal Principle, which states that in a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion. This is the original design of Indonesian mortar and pestle. As you can see, if these were made from cement, sand, and stone, it will cause you a very not good damage to your health. And also, it's not the most efficient tool because if you ever try to use it before, your hand must be get tired. So this is my new design, my new original design. It uses the fluid mechanics of Pascal because when you push the button, the water inside of this design actually comes up and then will make a little sort of mini hydraulic which can press your food into the new mortar and pestle. It is also much more efficient because in my design you can just push it and the food will be crushed. So, for conclusion, from my research finding on the issue of food poisoning and making more efficient tools, my first and second hypothesis is proven to be true because the material that I use to build is safe, and by using my concept, it will improve the ability to make food even quicker and consume less energy. For suggestion, for future references, please share your finding with your trusted friend and try to explain your findings to them. Your friend is a good way to gain feedback so you can develop your innovation much more deeper. And for the discussion, although I'm confident in the architecture and materials that I construct, ultimately this is just a blueprint. This has not been reviewed. This tool also requires a lot of research and readjustment in order to produce the most efficient design possible. This is my references. You can screenshot it if you want. And the last one is the sustainable development goals of this project. The first one is good health and well-being. The aim of my design is to help people reduce food poisoning and actually created a healthier food by using a bare material such as andesite stone, which is safe for use. Second one is industry innovation and infrastructure. My design is a new design that is an original, therefore it's innovation. Therefore it is an innovation to the world. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.